Linksys RE6300 Wi-Fi Extender Setup. Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to set up the Linksys RE6300 Wi-Fi Extender. If you're struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals in certain areas of your home, this video is for you. Step 1. Unboxing the extender. First, let's unbox the extender. In the box, you'll find the RE6300 Wi-Fi Extender, a quick start guide, and a power adapter. Step 2. Plugging in the extender. Next, plug your Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet close to your router. Wait for the power light to turn solid green. Step 3. Connecting to the extender. Now, let's connect to the extender using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Look for the Wi-Fi network named Linksys Extender Setup and connect to it. You won't need a password for this step. Step 4. Accessing the setup page. Once connected, open your web browser and go to http://extender.linksys.com. This will take you to the setup page. Step 5. Setting up the extender. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You'll be prompted to select your home Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. After entering your Wi-Fi details, choose a new name and password for your extended network or keep the same as your existing network. Step 6. Placing the extender. Now, find an optimal spot for your extender. Ideally, it should be halfway between your router and the area where you need better coverage. Once the extender is in place, wait for the power light to turn solid green again. Step 7. Testing the connection. Finally, let's test the connection. Connect your device to the new extended network and check the Wi-Fi signal strength. And that's it. Your Linksys RE6300 Wi-Fi Extender is set up and ready to boost your Wi-Fi signal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.